So it's just about that time again where we start thinking about our wishes for the new year. And this year, instead of a personal wish, the Maverick has a national sporting wish for Jamaica. I really, really wish that new Reggae Boys coach Paul Hall can re-energize and motivate the team, get into the heads of the players and the fans that the dream is still alive, and that Jamaica wins the next game against Mexico, and the next game against Panama, and the next game against Costa Rica. And after that, we will have 3 more games to go. And my wish continues that we can win the next game, and the next game, and the next game. Yes. And after that, we would get 18 more points to go with the 7 we have already. That would give us 25 points, which would secure the 4th place playoff game. The next part of the wish is that we win the playoff game and triumphantly qualify for Qatar 2022. And all Jamaica would jump back onto the wagon and lift the national mood. And that bad mind and envy and crime and violence would stop in Jamaica, if it's even for those fleeting moments. I wish. My ambition, I wish.